All right, so welcome once again. We have one very beautiful, simple SAT question. Indices is a must in SAT. Indices, exponential function is a must. It's a must. It's a must. And actually, this is one area you can score really very high because these questions are quite simple, very simple. All right, so let's look at this particular one here. Save the expression. You can pause the video if it's something you can walk through. You can actually pause the video and just okay, yeah. So if the expression above is written in the form a x raised to power m y raised to power n, so what is the value of n plus n? Okay, so what we are going to do in a question like this is to put the whole of this question in this format. All right, in this format. So why do we do that? Okay, let's treat the numerator. Let's treat the numerator. So what we have in the numerator is that is 6x then y squared times, is it? Yeah. Now you can see that 2xy all raised to power 2. So what we are going to do, what this literally means is this one here, this will be 2 raised to power 4. That means we are expanding that guy. So that will be 2 raised to power, 2 raised to power 2, which is what is 4. Alright, so that is 4. And x raised to power 2, that is x squared. Do you understand that? And y raised to power 2, that will be what? Y squared. What actually means that is 2xy times 2xy. That's what you have right there. All over what we have here. What do we have at the denominator? The denominator is 8x. That's 8x squared. Then we have what? Y squared. It's really very simple. Alright, so now this multiplication. So this is simple. What we need to do is now y squared, we cancel y squared. That is 1, is it not? Alright, and of course s squared, we cancel s squared, that is also 1. You understand? So 1 times 1, is it? And of course this 4 here can actually go into this 8 here, and you have what? 2, is it? And of course 2 can go into 6 here, and we have what? 3. You see how simple that's what we are left with now. So we are left with 3 x, then y, is it not? Then y squared. Do you understand that? Then y squared, that is what we have. Now if we compare this to this, so let's say this is equivalent. Okay, so let's say this is what? Equivalent to a x raised to power n, then y raised to power n. Remember what we are looking for is n plus n. So if we compare this, you can see that the power of x here is 1. So what that means is that my n is equals to 1. So my n is equals to what? 1. And of course my n is equals to what do you have there? That's 2. My n is equals to what? 2. That is that. So what do you take n plus n? N plus n will just be 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to what? 3. I believe this is actually one of the simplest SAT questions. SAT questions are actually not that difficult. So n plus n is equals to what? 3. N plus n equals to 3. Alright, so that's that. We'll see you in my next video. Please hit the subscribe button, share, and make sure you are hooked so that we can have our perfect score. Do have a nice day. Thank you.